What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Young Cam, baby. Today I will be unboxing Romeo CD, first album, the little Romeo CD. It's a classic, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So let's get to it. Make sure you hit that like button and the notification bell. Subscribe to my YouTube for more content. So here we go. Man, that's so hard, man. Boy, I was like, be look like that. Man, that man was so fresh. Dude, so fresh, man. Yeah, look, Romeo so fresh. Look at Master P. Man, that shit hard as fuck. Look at that, man. Nigga was man, that nigga was so handsome. Man, folks so cool. Without handsome like this, nah, bro. I looked good, but not that good. Look up. That man was every little girl dream. Even if you looked like, bro, you had some hoes. For real. I'm like, man, this shit hard as fuck. Plus, I had the music playing. So they had the music playing. Okay, I'm tripping, my bad. Y'all made millions, y'all. It's a cousin, Lil D. This group never came out. Or they did, shit, I don't know. Yeah, this bitch, oh, yep. All the No Limit clothes and shit. The Romeo stuff. That's it. Yeah, it's your boy Young Cam, baby. You just witnessed the unboxing of Lil Romeo first album. So yeah, just like and subscribe, man. More videos to come in the future. I'm out.